Informly AI has just been released, and in this review, we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about this powerful new tool. If you're searching for AI software that can truly streamline your work, stay tuned because this could be a game changer. First off, let's talk about what Informly AI actually does. This software is designed to help digital marketers and businesses automate key aspects of their operations. From content generation to social media management, Informly is built to save you time and effort. But is it really as good as they say? Stick around to find out. Now, one of the best features of Informly AI is its user-friendly interface. If you've used AI tools before, you know that a clean, easy-to-navigate interface makes a massive difference. Informly makes it simple to jump in, whether you're experienced with AI or just starting out. You won't find yourself getting lost in a sea of options here. Another thing I really like about Informly AI is its versatility. It's not just another content generator. This software can handle a variety of tasks like analyzing trends, generating reports, and automating customer communication. So if you're trying to simplify your workflow, this could be exactly what you need. Speaking of automation, let's talk about how Informly AI handles that. It has smart automation features that take care of repetitive tasks, like scheduling posts or sending out newsletters. You'll definitely save a lot of time, and the best part is it learns as it goes. The more you use it, the more it tailors its actions to your specific needs. One of the standout aspects of Informly AI is its content creation capabilities. If you've been struggling to create content that resonates with your audience, this tool can help. It's designed to produce high-quality, engaging content that matches your brand's tone and voice. Whether it's blog posts, social media captions, or even video scripts, Informly AI does it all. Another great feature is its advanced analytics. This software doesn't just automate tasks, it also tracks and measures performance. This means you can get a clear view of what's working and what isn't, allowing you to fine-tune your strategies for better results. For anyone in digital marketing, data-driven decisions are a must, and Informly delivers that. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. How much is all of this going to cost? Here's the good news. You can actually try Informly AI for free. That's right, there's a completely free version you can start using right away. If you like what you see, you can upgrade to the premium features. But honestly, the free version is more than enough for many users. If you're interested, you can grab this software and try it yourself using the first link in the description. Don't miss out on the opportunity to test out one of the latest AI tools that could really make a difference in your digital marketing efforts. To wrap up, Informly AI is definitely one to watch in the AI software space. With its automation, content creation, analytics, and easy-to-use interface, it's a tool that has the potential to change the way you work. If you're tired of spending hours on repetitive tasks and want to focus on the important stuff, Informly AI could be the answer. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and I've put together a list of my recommended ones in the description below. Feel free to check them out for free trials and see which ones work best for you. If you're looking to level up your AI game, this is a good place to start. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.